How to fix error 16 to 66 when connecting the Sling app to AirTV. Here's some steps that may help you resolve the 16 to 66 connection issue in the Sling app. 1. Make sure that your AirTV device is plugged in and powered on. 2. Also make sure your AirTV device has been successfully connected to the internet and that your internet connection is active or fast enough. 3. Check if TCP port 5401 has been blocked, if you're using some firewall/NAT. Contact AirTV support at 866-1354 for more help.